Good morning. So we're on our way to our farm, our pig farm. It's not really far from our house, so we are trekking. We are not entering any vehicle or Okada. It's a few kilometers to the farm, and I'm going with my mom. Don't worry, you'll meet her soon. So I want to say something. Do you think a teenager can actually venture into a rearing of pigs, can go into pig farming? Do you think it's possible? To me, I think it's possible, but money is involved. Money is involved. It's a very good thing. There is much gain in it if you are very serious with it. Good morning, ma. There is much gain there. When you start selling it, you will see your gain. There is much profit there. It is very nice and it's a profitable business, but at the same time you have to think about other things. First, the capital, because you will need capital to build. I'm sorry for the background noises. You will need capital to build the building that you will need for the pig farming. Even if you have old building, you still need to divide them, except if the building was made for pig in the first place. But if it is not, you will need to divide the pins for different sizes, because you can't just carry everything together and put in one place. They won't be okay. Then the next one is it's still that money. It's still money, because you will need to buy the feed. Their feed is kind of costly. Guys, let me show you this bridge that leads to our farm. I'll be right back. Let me show you. So this is the bridge, the bridge that leads to our farm. At first, or in the beginning, many years back, I used to be afraid, but now we've gotten used to it. I've gotten used to it, sha. So back to what I was saying. The money for the feeding can be much. It can be much because they consume a lot. Pigs consume a lot. And apart from the feeding also, how about the injections? Because human beings, they are living things. So at a point they will get sick and you will need to treat them. So money for the injections too is there. But if you can do it, then apart from that, again, the stress that is involved is kind of much. If you can do it, you'll be happy you did it. But at the same time, Momo, the stress is too much. It's not easy. Going there in the morning, feeding them, making sure they are okay, changing them when necessary, weaning the piglets when it's time for them to be weaned. So all these things. But notwithstanding, it's a very good thing to do. It has much profit if you put interest in doing it. If you put your effort, if you work hard, you get whatever you need to get, the profit you need to get. So we are almost there. We are almost there. In fact, we are there already. I've not done vlog before. This is my first time doing vlog. So however you see, just take it. Just take it. Just take it however you see it. So my dad went to carry some things. We usually go out there to get plantain peelings, potato peelings, yam peelings, all those stuff that pigs used to eat. So he's not around for now, but he will soon be back, sha. We are here. Oh no, sir. I'm on food. Manifu no bugo ya si anya daalo na inodegu biganya. So guys, this is my mom. Yay! This is my mom, my beautiful mommy. She's looking pretty, right? I'm sorry, I've not even introduced them to our channel, but anyhow, one day she will come and we'll discuss some things. Why are you looking at me like that? So guys, I've changed into my work clothes. So I'm now putting on my work clothes and I'm about to cook the blood. We usually use blood, protein now, and the blood is from cow. It's cow blood though, it's not human blood. It's cow blood. So my dad used to go to Abattoir where they usually slaughter cows, and someone that he used to buy the blood from will carry buckets and fetch the blood directly from the neck of the cow. So then we'll cook it and mix it with their food and then give them. It's very proteinous, it's very good for them. That is it. So I'll show you how we usually cook it now. So I've prepared the firewood we used to cook the blood. Prepare it. I'll soon put lights, and then I will rub oil all over the body of the pot, not at the outer body or the inside, so that the blood will not stick to the pot, and then it will be very difficult to scrape it out. Then after rubbing it, I will pieces the blood. I don't want to show you. You know, some people don't like seeing blood, so I don't want to like open it and show it and video it, and then people will not see it. So I don't want to do that. The blood is inside this bucket, so I will just pieces it, cook it. While I'm cooking it, I can video it, but for now, so that people will not be against me, you understand, I'm not going to open it now. So after rubbing this oil, pieces the blood, because the red blood cell will have blocked. I will need to use my hand to pieces it. The white blood cell will be there too, but the white blood cell doesn't used to get blocked. So I will just pieces the red blood cells and, you know, mix it together and then put it on fire. This is our building. From that end to the other end up there. Let's enter. Let me introduce you to my mommy's pig. This is my mommy's pig. So she owns a pig. And he's looking at me. This pig, if you touch it, it will just lie down. Hi. How are you? It will lie down. It's because I'm not close. Assuming that he's lying down. He's lying down. No, she is lying down. He's a shisha. How are you? Assuming I'm close and I touch the body like this, these people just lie down. And that's why my mom likes it. Good. That's why she decided to buy it. It will be giving birth. I don't know how she's going to be doing it with her husband though. They'll be sharing the money. I don't know how. And after she did it, I started to do my own too. So this is where we mix their food. And after mixing, we feed them. And these are some piglets. I don't know if they are still, if I can still call them piglets, so, but I think they are still piglets. But we've already weaned them from their parents. So here's my own pig. That's mine. This one that has white mark on its forehead. That's it. She doesn't like coming close to me. I don't know why. So let's move on. There is another pig there, a bigger pig there, but I don't want to enter. I don't have strength to start entering that place now. This is another big one. Some pigs are very sensitive to touch, while some are not. Those are pigs. They'll just be peeping. Zebra, we used to call them zebra. So if a stranger comes and they are like panicking, we will just call them zebra and they'll shut up. There's another one lying here. I hope the piglets will not start crying now, thinking that I came to give them food. There's another winners. This one too is also sensitive to touch. Oh. Why are you running? Yeah, it's dirty. Mouth is dirty. Carry your dirt. See it. Very sensitive to touch. And it's a male. I've never seen a male like this. I don't used to touch males, but this one is different. How are you? Moving on. There's another one. I'm not coming to you. Don't worry. Look at how they are making noise. Come on. Yeah. Why they are making noise? Their noise is too much. They think we are here to give them food, so I think I will stop for now. And then when we are giving them food, I will now video them so you can see how they do it. It's okay. Hi. Why are you running? Don't want to touch. Look at this one. Sheep too. How are you? Why are you opening your mouth? That's your business. Some of them are not sensitive to touch, so they don't like people touching them. So family, moving on. This is how it looks like now. I don't want to show you guys before because some people don't like seeing blood. So I prefer it this way. And again, we don't used to like overcook this blood. Because after you must have packed it, it will still continue to cook itself. So we prefer it half done. So that when you pack it, it will not be okay. So we don't used to cook it. We don't used to allow it to be totally done. I'm going to be packing it into a bowl. Guys, come and eat with us. So we usually bring our breakfast to farm because we used to go back late in the afternoon. So we used to buy a meal. So we used to carry our breakfast to farm. This is oatmeal. Oatmeal with plantain. I forgot to bring bread. I don't like using plantain, but I forgot to bring bread. I don't have any choice. And that is cherry. Is it cherry they used to call it? The African star apple. I don't even know. All I know is that it's udara or agbalumo. The Yoruba is agbalumo. The Igbo is udara. My first udara of the year. Yay. So at this point, my dad got back. He got back a few minutes ago. I could not even introduce him because he got so busy. Now he's ready. He's mixing the food. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi now.
Hi.
Cannot be on like this.
Hi.
So that's him mixing the food. In there we have blood, we have PKC, we have potato peelings, we have yam peelings, and all stuff, and cassava chaff too. We put everything together and mix it with water. That's it. So here, they are already waiting for their food. That's how they do behave. Stand on their leg and place their hands on the wall of their pins, waiting for us to give them food. And they will not even allow us to hear wood. Can you imagine this pig biting the door? Some pigs can't be patient at all. And this brown one is the mother of my piglets. So this is them eating their food. They can't even call someone to come and eat with them. Anyways, even if they call me, I'm not going. They should enjoy their food, I beg. Yeah. Enjoy. And this is my mommy's pig. This pig can eat and she eats everything. And we lick the plate clean. Chinekeme, this pig said no, I should stop calling it. So I'm going to be soaking the PKC. This is PKC, this is what it looks like. And it's the chaff from palm kernel nuts. The fruit, the seed that is inside palm kernel. So this is the chaff after they must have extracted palm kernel oil. Then this is the chaff. So we mix it, we soak it overnight so that it will be able to be soft and swell before morning. We can't just mix it like that and give them. This is me pouring it inside a bowl. and then add water, enough water, not too much because the food must not be too watery. So leave it for it to get swollen by morning time tomorrow. Zebra, yeah. Go and pick your plate also. Be nearby or get up. Go and pick your plate. Can you imagine? I don't know how I will serve this pig food. And I will be the one to pack the plate. And again, it will be stressing me by pushing the plate over there. Now I'll have to jump to go get the container. I don't blame you. Your own is just to eat. After eating, you lie down. And this pig can give problem, So guys, this is my dad. They said I looks like him, that we are identical, but I don't know. You guys will judge. So we are going to ask him a question. Is it possible for teenagers to venture into pig farming? Is it possible, and how true is it? So, what do you think?
It is possible for teenagers to venture into it, but for knowledge sake. Okay. Because it needs time, it needs capital, it's capital intensive, and you must concentrate on it or else you cannot gain it. So it's just for knowledge, for future purposes.
Okay. So people have heard it now. We've heard from the horse's mouth. Look at the camera. So we are going to be inviting him to our channel one of these days so we can discuss some things. See, he's not like educated. Where did you even stop? He's not really educated, but he's more intelligent than me. He can even speak much English than me. He's very fluent. So we are going to invite him one day, expect him one day. We are done for today. Till we meet in our next video. I'm going home now. I think this is after 2. Can you imagine? Since morning, since around 8 a.m. a bit to 9. So till we meet in our next video. Let me go and cook afternoon food and eat. I'm hungry. Bye.